In today's pre-log video, we're going to take a look at some custom 757s and other custom aircraft that came from a special seller on eBay. This video has been sponsored by him, so if you want to go check out his eBay, please do so, link in the description. But yeah, we have one of 5 prologue videos to Massive Unboxing 10, and this one has 4 custom Delta Airlines models in it, all of which I've been looking for a very long time, so let's open it up. Now, he did tell me to open these up carefully because he packaged them very tightly, and yes, he did. And they are all Delta Airlines models. The very first one is a Delta Airbus A320. So this one kind of came a little bit damaged, but I knew that, which is fine. But we got some good stuff in here. We got this Airbus A330-200 model I've been needing for a long time, along with the A320. These are 2 Delta aircraft I don't have yet, and they will look very nice. You can see some of the detailing already on there. This next one is a duplicate of a model I already have. It is the Boeing 757-200. This is the trans-world registered one, but this one has 2 SATCOM boxes and some other custom details on it. It has antennas, that sort of thing, that have been added. And we have a Delta Airbus A330-300. This is a 2018 release. This is a 2015 release, so I don't have this one yet, actually. So, this one's also customized as well, super well detailed. So, let's unbox these. Let's start with the A330s. So, this is one I don't have yet. I thought this was the 2018 release. Turns out this is the 2015 one, a model I do not have yet. Wow, I can always see that beacon light popping out really well. Take a look at that 3D beacon light. Apparently, he said he just did this with a piece of paint, and it does that reflective. It does reflect. Wow. So apparently, you can just do that from paint. Put it on the bottom too. Really cool. He added some details. He put the engine swirls on the inside. I'll show you that when I do the detailed look around. Looks really good. Here we got the A330-200. This is, if I remember correctly, a 2014 release. I believe July, August is when this was released. Someone can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But here we have the A330-200. I saw a bunch of these in Atlanta. They mostly currently fly domestic routes now. You can see he's added all the details. He's had these are comms antennas. These are the SATCOM boxes. He's had the antennas, beacons. He's had these yellow lights up top as well. Really nicely done. And he's put an antenna on the bottom, something Gemini Jets refuses to do. Next, we have the Airbus 320. Now, this box did kind of come destroyed, but I knew that the model was not in the greatest of shape. He said it was one of the very first customs they tried, so therefore it didn't quite go as he planned. But, considering all that, oh, he even put a little cutout in the molding for the antenna, which is really awesome. But despite that, this model still looks overall pretty good. Like, take a look at that. It's an A320. With a SATCOM box on it. You're not going to see that from Gemini Jets. And he repositioned the antennas to be in the correct location, so good job of him on that. And this final one is one that I am super excited for. Probably the most excited for out of these 4. Even though I don't need it, it's a fine addition to the collection. It'll look great on the Atlanta airport and my personal airport. This is the Delta 757-200. This is the long-range variant, low-density transatlantic variant. This is one of the trans-world registered aircraft, and I just realized that windward is starting to fall out on this one. Take a look at that. Let me see if I can slide that back in. Yep, I did. Yep, so want to be careful of that, because that might want to fall out. But he put antennas on the bottom, antennas on the top. He put SATCOM boxes on. He put the red beacon light. Wow, he put everything on here. Really nice job. Another great model. I put the engine swirls on all these. Really good job. And he put, oh, another thing, he put rolling gear on these too. And it's probably better quality than Gemini Jets, so you can actually roll with these, literally. Alright, so let's take a close look at these models. We first start with the Airbus 320. Here's the nose shape, which is really nicely done. By Gemini Jets, just the Delta titles. We have the 2 antennas, which were added by the modeler. don't believe he did swirls on the inside of the engines, but that is fine. For the 2 overwing X's, we have the SATCOM box which he added, the registration, and there is not a third antenna added back here, even though the real 320 has it. He did add an antenna on the other side, but overall it looks pretty good. Really nice job, of course, with the Delta titles, and I have walked a few of these 320s as we were getting them from Atlanta back in January. It was a really cool aircraft, and it's awesome to have a model of one of these finally, so that's really awesome. Next plane is the one that I'm most excited about, and that is the Delta 757-200 November 703 Tango Whiskey. This one, really nicely done. We're going to take a look at the model here. The nose shape is very good by Gemini Jets. SkyTeam logo, Delta titles. The first of the added SATCOM boxes and an added antenna. You can see the red light. I think that's actually just the red light that came with the plane. Yeah, I think that is. And then there is an antenna on the underside that was added. We have the Pratt & Whitney 2037s with the white swirls painted on the inside. Take a look at that, isn't that nice? Going down here to the winglet, which looks real nice. We have the L3 door, and we have the second SATCOM box which was added, and another antenna on the underside that was added. This is an awesome plane. It's my second one that I have. The other one that I don't have this property yet, but it's a really nice model. But yeah, this side is very similar, but you have some bin doors over there. So that's really nice. And then we move on to probably the nicest of the bunch are the Airbus 330s, because these have the most added details to them. I do apologize for the wind. It's very windy out. We have like 30 or 40 plus mile an hour gusts today, so very windy day here in Iowa. But the nose shape, which the Airbus 330s from Gemini are decent models. SkyTeam logo, we have the Delta titles. There's something by the boarding doors. I don't know if that's, I don't think it's the power of our people, but it has something there. This added antenna, as this 2014 release didn't have antennas at all. I don't think there's an antenna on the underside here. Yeah, it's not, but there is. You can see it signing that red beacon light, the anti-collision light there on the underside, and of course the Gemini Jets logo. The engines, and then we have a red beacon light up top. We have these 2 communications antennas, and then we have the SATCOM box in the back. 2 antennas here in the back. I think this third antenna here is pointing the wrong way. But other than that, it looks to be good. There is the registration. We have the fleet number on the tail, which is not coming in the frame. But yeah, this model does have another antenna on the underside as well. So really nicely detailed, this one. The 330-200, a first for my collection, as well as the Airbus 320. Both of these aircraft are first for my collection. I do not have a Delta 320 or a 330-200 before, but now I do. The 300 is very similar in the details they added. There's the beacon light both top and bottom. This one has the Delta belly, 2015 release, of course. And of course he added the antennas on the top and the bottoms and the SATCOM boxes. This one has the antenna here facing the correct direction. And this one I believe is 928 November Whiskey, which is one of the late Airbus 330s that was the extended range variant. This one I believe also has the white engine swirls as well. You can see it on the inside. It's painted white, and you can see it kind of a swirl. It looks really nice. Let's see if the 200 has that. I think it does. Yeah, it does. 200 also has that detail, which is really nice. You can see the swirl. It's actually painted to be a swirl, which I can't believe how he did that, considering how tiny this plane is. So, if you want to buy yourself some really nicely detailed models, Twins 83 on eBay has got you covered. He's got a lot of great models that he sells. Not just Delta planes, but he sells a bunch. I just happened to get Delta planes because that is what I was looking for. And he's got a lot of great options to choose from. I also recently just picked up another one of his planes, so that will be coming as well. And it is one that is needed for Atlanta, so I'll let you guess what that is. But it's not a Delta one, it's a different airline. But yeah, he's got a lot of great models available, so go check his walkout. He's got some fantastic stuff. And yeah, so that's basically it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and God bless you.